Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a USB flash drive that shows no media in disk management on Windows. First, unplug the USB flash drive from your computer. If you're using a desktop PC, connect it directly to one of the USB ports on the back of the computer instead of the front panel. If you're using a laptop, try a different USB port. If the USB is detected but still has no drive letter, right-click the Start button and open Disk Management. Find your USB drive in the list. If the drive appears without a letter, right-click it and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add, choose any available drive letter, and then click OK. This can make the drive visible again in File Explorer. If the drive still shows no media, you can try a partition management tool such as 4DDig Partition Manager. Open the program and check if it can detect the USB drive. Some partition tools can rebuild the drive's partition table, repair damaged MBR or GPT information, or reinitialize the drive if the problem is related to corrupted partition data. If the software also reports that the drive has no media or zero capacity, the flash drive may have a hardware failure. In that case, replacing the USB drive is usually the only permanent solution. Thanks for watching.